Hey guys, we're here at Overland Expo 2023. Super excited. We fostered a relationship with Mike at Fieldcraft and obviously Camp King Industries. We've got Lucas here. So we've brought the guys together. We're gonna have Lucas kind of talk to Mike about the Camp King unit. And yeah, we're just super excited.
Dude, pleasure to see you guys, to meet you all the way from across the pond.
Look, man, it's awesome. It's great to be able to come out here and then to be able to come and see this
the
weapon.
monster.
Yeah, dude, it's
weapon.
it's so good. It's so good. I just honestly, man, I just want your opinion on the actual unit. Absolutely. And sort of just if you generally want to take us through what you've done to it.
Cool.
And sort of build quality, stuff like that. Absolutely. You know what I mean? So,
okay. So we can walk this direction, or you want to stay put here?
Let's have a check.
I think one of the things that right away pops out at everybody is the construction. And you'll notice how strong and well placed everything is. A lot of times, and me and you talked about this on our video, is you get people who don't maximize the space. I mean, even on the pillars, right, in the back and forward, tend to see that little place in the back, and then you have wasted space. So it's really great for me as a mobility guy, as a vehicle dude. Like that stuff right away pops out to me. Right?
Yeah, that's awesome. When it comes to these vehicles, like we specifically make them to suit the units. You know what I mean? So each vehicle is slightly different, height-wise, width-wise, length-wise, to maximise obviously the space internally and to make it so it suits the actual vehiil properly. You know what I mean? So you can sort of see it. It stands out a lot on this one.
I told him on our video, like I kept wanting to touch everything. Remember, I was like, I need to stop. I'm sorry. So, but what's great too is like even when you open it, you know, the materials used and the fact that it's all aluminum. Sometimes you get like that weird flexing in materials that aren't that great. So that's also right away something that I noticed. You know, all TIG welded, handmade craftsmanship. Clearly, you guys are metal workers. So I'm like, right away you see that. You know. Yeah,
man. That's one thing for us. It's great for someone like yourself to be able to just to notice that and see it. You know what I mean? It's good to come in here and have you go, man, the build quality, it's awesome. It's the feedback for that for us. It's very humbling and we love it. It's good to see. It's good to be able to be noticed like that. You know what I mean? Like
it's not just me, Lucas.
Yeah. Right. Just me. Well, you know, and we do that test all the time. Like we're talking about this. I'm super sure I can't reach. But when you open this and that wobble, there's none of that there. But even on the roof, like some of the other competitors and some of the other ones we've seen, you know, in their infancies, when you raise that tent, there's all kinds of play in there. You're like, oh man, is this gonna last? This one right off the bat, you get that. Awesome. 340 pounds for me is top notch. I mean, this in theory, I have to weigh it all out, and I'm still not there yet. But this is going to be lighter than my previous setup, which wasn't as comfortable. So huge plus for me on that from that standpoint. We got rained on like crazy yesterday, so I don't know if you saw the video. I was chilling up there. But can't wait to take it out. I mean, other than that, I hear, and I don't know if I'm allowed to say this. Sorry. There's prototypes for accessories coming out, or go on by. Oh, you have them over there.
We've got a couple on display up there. So no, for sure, we can organise that.
Excellent.
But yeah, no, man, super stoked that you're loving it and you're liking it. I can't wait to see it out in the field. To be honest, you know what I mean? Like to be able to use it the way it's sort of intended. So I'm really glad it's fitted up and it's been everything that you're chasing. You know?
Absolutely.
I mean, it looks amazing, man. 40-inch tires. You guys have done. The wrap is amazing. It just, I mean, and you got the Goose Gear in there as well, which is going to be amazing for you. The quality, the details, you know, some of the folds. It's what we love over there. And that's when we were talking about, Mike. You're going to love this. It's going to be incredible.
Well, all we have left is to do the trip to Australia. And then
we need to
full circle.
We need to. No, man, that's awesome. When I first laid eyes on it over here, I said, like, we just walked over and just the impact of it was huge. You know what I mean? Just like, bam, wow. Like, it looks so good.
Do you guys have Gladiators in Australia?
We do. But they don't look like this.
Very cool, man.
Awesome, man. So stoked.
No, I appreciate it. Again, thank you guys so much. Cool you guys came down here to see it. You know, I couldn't be more pleased. We got a lot of stuff planned for it, so we'll get started on that.
Super excited.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Sweet. Thank you, man.
Ghost, my guy.
Thanks.